If you're just getting to engraving, stop right now because these 5 beginner mistakes can completely ruin your results. And almost all beginners make them without realizing it. The good news, every single one of these is easy to fix once you know what to do. So let's make sure you don't learn the hard way. Hi friends, my name's Joanna and I'm a full-time illustrator who loves engraving. We'll cover the do's and don'ts so that you get better control, cleaner lines, and way less frustration. Are you ready? Let's go. Mistake number 1. Using whatever bit you have. These Respark kits come with lots of bits to choose from, but don't play the guessing game of what may or may not work, and definitely don't continue to use a dull bit or you'll keep getting messy results. Instead, do choose the right bit for your material. The Customizer manual breaks down the right bit to choose based on the material that you're going to engrave. And switching to the right bit instantly gives you clean results with little effort. Don't force what's not working. Check your materials and your tools to make sure you have the right combination before you start feeling frustrated. Mistake number 2, using the same speed for every material. The Customizer comes with different speeds, and different materials need different speeds because of the density of the material you're engraving. So don't rush through projects or guess at what speed you should be using. Instead, do start with the recommended speeds in the Customizer manual. From here, you can adjust the speed based on what you're engraving and the result you're trying to achieve. Remember, faster isn't better. We're aiming for control at a nice, steady pace. Mistake number 3, engraving on your final piece without doing a test run first. And trust me, if this is your first time engraving, you don't want to skip this step. Instead, be sure to do a test run and focus on the right bit, stroke, and pressure that you need to use on the material you're engraving. Getting used to how the Customizer feels on different materials can save you so much time and energy. And what's even cooler is that Respark comes with these tiny practice canvases that are perfect for doing your test runs. Don't feel pressured to jump straight into your project. The more prep you have beforehand, the easier everything will go. Mistake number 4, pressing harder to get more depth. And guys, I've been engraving for a while and I still do this. What you need to remember is that engraving works best with light, consistent pressure. You get more depth by creating multiple strokes, not by forcing your way through it. If you apply too much pressure, you'll create uneven, deep grooves that you can't go back and fix. The engraver is meant to take layers off of the material, not dig into it. Finally, mistake number 5, engraving without eye protection or working with dusty materials without protecting your airways. I know it's not cute, but do always wear safety goggles. The last thing you want is any particle going into your eye. Be sure to wear a mask and make sure you're in a space with proper ventilation. And here's a bonus mistake that almost all beginners make, thinking that engraving is some professional hobby or only for talented artists. Who is just now diving into the world of engraving, you will make mistakes, and that's okay. It's part of the process and part of the fun. This is how we learn how to make better choices in the future. And honestly, I'm a better creative because of it. So if you've made any of these mistakes, trust me, you are not alone. Comment below on which mistake you gravitate towards the most, and just know that we're always here to help you fix it. And if you want more beginner-friendly engraving tips, hit subscribe so you don't miss the next one. So I hope you learned a thing or two, and have fun engraving!